Hello guys, my name is Balkrishna Srivastav and welcome to Code with BK. So in this video, we write Java code solution for question 7 of ICSE 2023 Computer Applications paper, and this is the question. So before we begin, it is a request to please subscribe to my channel, because out of 100 views only 1 or 2 are subscribed, and a subscription is very important. So please do subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. So we have defined a class to accept values into an array of double data type of size 20. Okay, so we have to define a class. So I'm going to say class question 7. Okay, you can name the class anything you want. I'm naming it question 7 for solution to question 7. Okay, then you need an array of double data type of size 20. So I take a private data member, private double ARR. Okay, this will store my array of type double and private int m to store the size. Okay, I will write a default constructor, okay, that will set the size to 20 and create the double type array with the size 20. Okay, so this completes my part where I have to define a class and that has a double data type array of size 20. Okay, now you have to accept values into this array. So you have to accept values from the user. So I write public void accept function. Okay, I will use a scanner class object, okay, to read values from the user in. Okay, I will say import java.util.scanner on top. Okay, I am going to print a prompt message. Okay, enter 20 double type values. Okay, and then I use a for loop to read double type values. Okay, I say double x is scanner dot next double. Okay, and then I set this value x to the ith location of the array. Right? Okay, so my accept function is done where I read 20 double type values into my array. Okay, and you can use 20 or arr dot length as well. Okay, but I've taken a separate data member to store the size, so I'm going to go with m. All right, the next part is to accept a double value from the user. So you have to accept another value and search it in the array using linear search. Okay, so I say public void search. The name of this method is not given, but I'm going to name it search, and I am going to create a scanner object here as well. Okay, the other option you can do is take a private scanner here, take it as a data member and create its object in the constructor and then directly use the scanner. Okay, I'll show you that at the end of the video. Okay, then I ask the user to enter a double value to search. Enter a double type value to search. Okay, I say double search item is scanner dot next double. Now I have to search this item in this array using linear search. So I use a for loop, and if the value is found, I print found with the position, that is the index where it is found, else I print not found. Okay, so I start with an index equal to -1 because -1 is an invalid index. So if after my linear search ends and my index is still -1, it means I haven't found the value I'm looking in the array. For int I equal to 0, again using the data member m, I plus plus. Now if this ith value equal to the search item. Okay, now there is another way you can compare two double type values for equality. I will show that to you at the end of the video. Okay, so if this is the case, I do index is I. Okay, I have found my value, I set the index where the value is found. So if after the linear search my index still remains -1, it means this condition was never true. It means I never found this search item in the array. So I say system.out.println, okay, not found. Okay, it is not found with both n and f lowercase. Alright, else if the value is found, okay, I have to print the message found and then I say at position, okay, plus index. Okay, because in this else case index will be not -1, it will be some value greater than equal to 0 and less than 20. Okay, some valid index in this array. So the class that you're supposed to design is done. All right, so let me just write code for the main to test this out. Now this is my code for the main. I just create an object of type question7, all right, calling the default constructor, all right. Then I accept the 20 values, okay, and then I search. Okay, so let me compile this. Oh, I have some silly mistake which is here. Okay, clear, compile. All right, works. I'll say Java ICSE question 7. 20 double type values say 3.56, 7, 89, 12 point. Okay, so I have entered these 20 values. Let me just bring it up a little. Okay, so I've entered these 20 values and I have to search say 4.31. Okay, 4.31 was found at index 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, so a couple of things that I want to share is you can take a private scanner here, create an object of scanner type here, and you don't have to create objects again and again. Okay, you have scanner as a data member now. You can use it to read the 20 values and the value to be searched. Okay, so if I clear, compile, okay, it's all good. Okay, now to test this, I'm going to use this code to generate 20 random doubles. Okay, so I have to generate 20 random doubles using this method. The name of my file is going to be in1.txt. Okay, so when I say Java C generate random numbers Java and Java, when I do Java generate random numbers, you see I will get in1.txt. So I get in1.txt containing 20 random numbers. Okay, so these 20 go into the array. Suppose I have to search for 33.11, which is here. Okay, at index 15. Okay, so I will say Java ICSE question 7. Okay, and I will use input redirection using in1.txt. The first 20 values, first 20 double values go into the array, and the last one is searched. Okay, so it is found at index 14. Okay, you get these prompts because they are supposed to be printed from the output. Okay, let me use this to generate random integers. So I say this function, okay, generate random integers, say 20 integers, again 10 to 100, and I say int2.txt. Okay, so it will generate int2. So I get into 20 random integers. Okay, suppose I have to search for 45. 45 is here, right? So when you input integer in place of a double, it goes as a double value. So this will still work. Okay, so let me go back to the solution. Okay, I was telling you the other way to compare these two. You can use double dot compare. Okay, ARRI and search item. Okay, now double is a wrapper class for this data type double. It has a method compare that takes two double values and compares them for greater than, less than, and equal to. So if the return value of this function is 0, it means they are equal. If the return value of this function is less than 0, it means this value is less than this value. If the return value of this function is greater than 0, it means this is greater than this value. Okay, okay, so I am going to run this code. Let me compile this first. Okay, I am going to run this code on int2.txt. okay, int2.txt is this. Okay, so I should be able to find 45 at index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, position should be 12, which is 12. Okay, all right, so this was the solution to this problem. Okay, and I hope this was helpful. Alright, and if you want me to solve this solution in Hindi, please let me know in the comments. I will add a video solving this question in Hindi as well on my Hindi YouTube channel, and I will also add the link of the code for the solution in the description. You can check it out. And there are other questions of ICSE 2023 Computer Applications paper that I have already solved. The links for those videos are also there in the description. Okay, and many more questions of ICSE Computer Applications are solved on my channel. You can search them out, and there are playlists for that as well. Okay. So please don't hesitate to ask any doubts or questions about the solution in the comments. I will always answer them. And you can always let me know in the comments if there is a question you want me to solve or if there's a concept you want to discuss. And if there was something that you did not like about this video, please just don't press the dislike button. Please also let me know in the comments what was it that you did not like about this video so that I can improve in my further videos. Thank you.